Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time it's none other than the number 122. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Oh yeah! I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 122. If you would like to see the previous 121, all you have to do is check out the playlist, which I will have in the in cards in the end of this video. And here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course, this guys is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And okay guys, so here it talks about a grand German dining room or salon or like sitting room. Let's open this up. A nice big picture of the room there. And here at the bottom it marks each of the different pieces and parts of the picture up above. And well, let's continue on. I love the table with the silver plates and forks on the little kettle. Oh, it's really nice. And here it talks about porcelain cups. And down below here we have a very beautiful blue and white porcelain cup. I like the little vines there. Oops, it's not wanting to go in focus. There we go. And here it talks about dollhouse fairs. And well guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, as I said before, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our brand new trunk. I'm just gonna open it up. There we go. Here we have it. I'm just gonna open it up. The inside has this nice little fabric that's green and white checkered. And then it has, let's see if I can grab them, these little buckles so you can close the suitcase if you would like. And then here's one side, the back, and the other side as well, and the bottom. Oh, this strap is kind of starting to come out, but there, that's better. And well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think about our new little trunk that we got? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff guys.
Yep. As I said before, we'll have all of his links down in the description below, as well as mine as well. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.